Upgrade your electrical projects with the 300 PCS Spade Crimp Connectors Kit. This all-in-one set includes 16 types of 2.8mm, 4.8mm, and 6.3mm male and female connectors, along with spade, fork, and ring terminals. Plus, you'll get a durable crimping tool with wire stripper and cutter for precision work. Perfect for automotive, household, or DIY wiring projects. This kit has everything you need for safe, secure, and professional connections. If you're enjoying the content, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Bye now.